Hello, my name is Harun. I live in Istanbul, Turkey, and I study in Yıldız Technical University. Today, I will be present my Python code designed for analyzing text extracted from PDF files. This code is created to evaluate the readability of text content obtained from PDF documents. It's a multifunctional tool that involves PDF file handling, text extraction, text reorganization, and readability assessment. Firstly, PDF file finder script, this one, scans a specified directory to find available PDF files. If any PDFs are present, it lists them to user for selection. Convert to text function, this function. The user is prompted to input the name of the PDF file they wish to analyze. The script then employs the Convert API library to convert the selected PDF into text format. The extracted text undergoes a series of analysis. It calculates total count of letters, words, and sentences present within the text content. Using Coleman-Lieu index formula, the script estimates the approximate grade level required to understand the text. It evaluates the ratio of letters to words and sentences to words, deriving a readability index. Finally, based on this index, the script delivers an approximate grade level needed to understand the text. It categorizes the text complexity from before grade 1 up to grade 16 plus. Now let's run the code. When we run the code, we see all the PDF files listed in the directory. Let's choose Heidi. When we choose Heidi, we have to wait for PDF to TXT conversion. And we see grade 6 and we see new Heidi TXT file. Now let's choose it again. Heidi, and we see grade 6 but there's no conversion. We choose from the Heidi TXT. Now let's choose another one. Tom Xavier. We see grade 5. Now let's choose the PDF file that we don't have in the directory. The fellowship of the ring. Warning, file doesn't exist. Now let's choose Tom Xavier again. Grade 5. This is my CS50 final project. Thanks for your listening.